Aces! This is Jai of Gold Aces Car Display Center. And today ako i-showcase ninyo among mga available units diri sa among display center. So karon kuyugi ko. Tara! So mga ka-Aces, I will showcase you our 2018 acquired Mitsubishi Montero Sport 4x2 GLS automatic transmission. For only 869,000, you can have this. So if nangita ka og hatchback, nasa tayo available diri sa Gold Aces. This one is the 2024 Toyota Wigo G automatic transmission. 5,000 odometer. Ang price niya is 598,000. So mga ka-Aces, if you're looking for sedan, hatchback, crossover, SUV, pickups, and even vans natay available diri sa Gold Aces. So next, ako i-flex ninyo among 2016 Mazda 3 hatchback automatic transmission for only 510,000. So, natay mga daghan available diri sa Gold Aces o naamoy mapilian. We will help you get your dream car here. So, karon mga ka-Aces, I will showcase you this 2023 Suzuki Espresso automatic transmission for only 499,000. Ali, kuyugi ko kay napa ko ipakita ninyo na mga cars. So we have here the 2023 Toyota Veloz V automatic transmission. Ang odometer ani niya is only 11,000 ug ang iyang price is 948,000. And if you're looking for a good as brand new car, we also have here the 2024 Ford Explorer automatic transmission. Mga ka-Aces, this one is good as brand new. Kay Raffle 1 siya. Ang price ani niya is 2,699,000. So you can save dako jud kung magpalit mo ani compared brand new. So next, I will showcase you our available unit here. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz A180 automatic transmission. 9,000 odometer and ang iyang price is 1,050,000. So guys, this one is open for cash, trade-in, and financing. And if also you're looking for Explorer na daan-daan og year model, we have here the 2014 Ford Explorer automatic transmission. For only 549,000, you can have this car. So karon kuyugi ko diri kasi nako i-showcase ninyo na available units na mo diri. We have here the 2013 Mitsubishi Mirage hatchback automatic transmission. Ang price niya is 298,000. And if you're looking for budget na sakyanan, we also have here the 2016 Kia Rio manual transmission with a price of 269,000. So if you're looking for a Toyota Rush, we also have here sa Gold Aces. This one is a 2019 Toyota Rush G automatic transmission with only 23,000 odometer ug ang iyang price is 779,000. And karon, if you're looking for a sleek car, we do have here the 2013 acquired Toyota 86 automatic transmission. For only 1,249,000, maimo na ni. So mga ka-Aces, if you want to check all of our available units, you can check our website, www.goldacescars.ph. And if you want to check all of our updates, you can check our Facebook page, Gold Aces Car Display Center. And if you want to contact me directly, you can contact these numbers. And guys, if you want to visit here, don't forget to look for me. I am Jai, so I will help you get your dream car ari sa Gold Aces. So karon, proceed ta sa amo ang next car na i-flex. Ali, kuyugi ko. So guys, if you're looking for an SUV na 4x4, we have here the 2023 Nissan Terra 4x4 automatic transmission for only 1,599,000. And if you're looking for a Ford Territory, we also have here sa Gold Aces 2022 Ford Territory automatic transmission for only 839,000. Guys, diri sa Gold Aces, mudawat mi og cash, trade-in, and financing. For cash payment, release dayon taban full payment, and for trade-in, we do actual appraisal. Dalha lang inyong unit diri og amo nang i-check inyong unit. And for financing, it will just take 2 to 3 working days. Release dayon nato ang unit upon approval ninyo. So guys, last na kong i-flex ninyo na unit is this 2023 Ford Everest Limited Sport Automatic Transmission. Guys, this one is 4x2. Ang price niya is 1,749,000. So guys, mao lang sa to ako ipakita ninyo ng mga available units na mo diri. And next video, ako i-showcase pa more na mo ng mga bagong nabot diri. By the way, I am Jai. I will assist you here diri sa Gold Aces Car Display Center. We are conveniently located here at Jamestown, Mantawi Drive, Tipolo, Mandawi City. So we are open Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and on Sunday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So guys, inquire na mo and don't forget to look for me. By the way, I am Jai. Bye!